Okay. Oh. You can see what.
Do you have the keys to your house to get in?
Yeah, I can get it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm looking for the cover of this gun. That's all right.
The what?
Okay.
Seatbelt.
Huh?
Your seatbelt.
What are you going for? That's mine.
You turn around like that, it's easier.
You want the one on Rosemead
Rosemead.
and
You
Valley?
live here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You live there?
Right here.
Oh, this one. Oh,
That's mine.
okay.
And where's yours?
Oh my God. I'm getting so. That's okay. Got a bunch of money. Look at that. They're all paying. They're all dollar.
Mm-hmm. So, you gonna buy a ticket from the post office?
Huh?
What are you gonna get from the post office?
What?
You want to go to the post office, right?
Coffee. Get you some coffee.
No.
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 It's okay.
I said you want to go to the post office, right?
To the post office. Yeah. Just in the first office. Oh, here. Then I gave you. I think that's worth it. What's your name?
Demir.
Demia.
Demir.
Mine is Myrna.
Myrna?
Yeah. How
That's
long have you
Josiah.
been living there?
Since January.
How much?
Since January.
January. Just the January?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. This is
Mirror. A mirror. Is this how I say? A mirror. A mirror.
Josiah.
This is how I say.
Yes, this side outside.
Yes. It's a wind. No, my wind is it. Don't say yours. The wind is go. And it goes one.
on the other side.
There's post office, right?
No, this one. Where are you going?
That's where you want the post office, right?
Uh-huh. Post office is right there.
Mhm.
Oh, that's over there. That's okay. That's over there. The next slide. Oh, here, right here. Oh, Yeah, that's here, right here.
Come here, look in the park.
Oh, I can go over here.
Come here. To the park.
Oh, what did I do? Alrighty, righty.
Okay, I'll wait for you. You want me to take you home? Do you want me to take you home?
No, that's okay.
Are you sure?
I don't know what time I'm going home. I have to go someplace else.
Oh, the post office is closed.
That's okay. Thank you.